And you think this is going to work?
Yeah, well.
In today's episode, we are attempting to restore the steering on this old, rusty International 785 tractor, who I imagine in her prime was glorious. She would be really useful around the farm, so we are hoping that this is going to be a simple bit of TLC and hopefully she will steer again. Stay with us to see how it turns out.
So that kingpin was stuck with inside that, which I think is a steering axle. So we've heated that up to as high as we dare. And diagonise.
Have you got the wheel?
I've got the wheel, but I've lost the nut that holds the hub on. So it looks like it might be TFM.
Aye.
Oh.
Oh, that's all it'll turn. Oh, yeah.
As you can see, she is a real rust bucket, so any nuts and bolts are well and truly welded on with a bit of rust.
Oh, sparked.
I broke it.
You broke the thing.
Yeah, probably always gonna. It's worse, yes. See if we can get a big socket over there. I suppose we're going to need to take that off there now. Try the other side of the chicken leg. Not quite sure what that's holding on to, but it's going on there. Nice.
None of us here are a mechanic, so this is pretty much a guessing game, but Croc seems to be doing a pretty good job.
This worked when we first got here, though.
Barely steered though, if you remember. The steering was like...
Oh, crikey. It's crazy looking at those tyres and looking at the back ones.
Yeah, it's two-wheel drive, you see. I think that's them all loose. Might you on there? An old scraper tractor, that's why the rust so bad.
What's that mean?
Just used to scrape up a cowper.
Oh, okay.
You should have a look at the thing on the back. You just go around scraping up there.
When they were in the barn?
Yeah. But that's been at least 6 years ago. This was last year's. Well,
Whee! So what now?
Take this cup off, fill that fully grip, take it off.
It's moving, isn't it? I can see the gap getting bigger, but then it does shoot back.
We gotta.
So what you're going to do, grease all that up?
Yeah.
We got enough grease?
Yeah.
Gosh, look how rusty it is. Show me inside there. Look at all of that.
Was grease, wasn't it? So I've also got two of those big washers, one either side by there. Was it? There's two this side.
This is our favourite thing about Croc taking anything apart. We need Hunter.
Yeah.
He'd be a good mechanic.
Yeah, because he'd remember what I'd done with all the bits took off.
Yeah, in fact. So the reason he's really keen to get the tractor restored is because this dead tree has fallen in the wind, crashing through here, but standing next to it is that sorry, that dead tree, which is, well, it's going to fall. So will we get it working in time to get it that tree down before it falls? Because if it falls, it could potentially fall on my car or on anybody who's doing the gates as they're coming to and from the farm, which is ultimately extremely dangerous. So the race is on. Croc against the tree. Who will win? Stay tuned to find out more. Oh yeah, looks as good as new actually.
It's had many days of not being greased, but
What egg is it?
It looks like a chicken egg.
It looks like...
It's random that a chicken egg would be in here though, isn't it?
It might be off that bird we found.
It's a bit big.
It can't be because it could be...
lawyers.
What are they?
They're
You know what they are.
Them.
When you see them, you'll know. Bit like that, yeah.
You know.
Are you spraying or?
Yeah. But I don't know when to. I'm ready to spray.
You've on the spray gun.
you spraying like that?
Now.
Yeah. Yeah. Spray him. Go and press him. Yeah, that's it. Good lad. There, you want to get his grips?
Yeah.
Bit there. Pull that bit out of there, Bear. See him? That's it, grip him.
I can't.
You grab him, I'll help you.
Want to. Can I?
Yeah, you do it then, Hunter. Get it, Hunter. Down. Got him.
What is
Well done, Hunter.
Okay.
We got it Ooh. Ooh. What is that? He uses that for the Christmas tree.
Put a rubber there.
Daddy, that's mud. Look at that.
Put your torch in there, boy.
These pliers hurt, don't they?
I do if you pinch yourself with them, yeah.
I can picture her. No. No.
Two of the split pin bits that hold them in. Wheel can go back on there. Yeah, Hunter. Right, put this straw. Do you want more, Hunter? Watch out the way,
Why
Ruth.
is Daddy using that wheel? Has that wheel been on the floor, Daddy?
Yeah. Just
There's two.
where's the other one?
What we're looking for, boys.
No.
Daddy's obviously put them on the floor.
Right.
Croc has a seriously unhealthy habit of losing things. He's the world's worst finder and the world's best loser.
Need a wheel nut as well then.
Oh. Have you got any, Bear?
What?
Have you got any?
What are they?
Any nuts?
We did in fact find the nuts, thankfully, and As you can see, the wheel is in fact on and being tightened on there nice and securely.
Daddy did it.
It's on the hub.
Oh, okay.
I've just blankly put that nut somewhere.
A year ago.
Yeah, but I've only put it like just there, somewhere, haven't I?
After not being able to find nuts that he put down 10 seconds ago, he thinks that he can find a nut that he put down over a year ago. Interesting.
So you need one washer, one
On the
nut.
washer.
You haven't.
I have.
As if. So we need one nut.
One nut.
You literally like you found gold then. So we just need one nut. Can you get nuts out of Halfords or not?
Yeah.
He just had to prove me wrong, didn't he? So he goes and finds the washer that he lost over a year ago. But we still need that nut. So it looks like we're off to TFM.
I saw some nuts.
We'll still have to buy a new one of those, but for today, it will work.
They haven't got.
Yep.
Sweet as a nut.
Not bad, is it?
Got another nut
Where did you get that from?
out the house. In the table. Where did you get that nut from?
Chug, 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 chug.
It's never stayed since we've had it.
Oh God.
Remember when I started turning it around on the yard last? It took me about an hour.
I just remember when Andy was here and he absolutely cried tears.
I'll have to resend him a video.
He's calling you.
Now for the test drive.
That was meant to happen.
I think there was a technical. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Right.
The whole thing's fell off.
Yeah. That's what happens when you're not.
The lighting isn't brilliant here, so I'm just going to quickly explain that that's the log splitter that has fallen off the back of the tractor. We're hoping at this point that it hasn't broke any of the hoses to the hydraulic log splitter.
gosh, you got it stuck under there now. Right, okay. Watch it. Watch out now. Come out the way of that, please.
Go that way so in case you don't go over.
Okay. Is that all it fixes to?
Yeah, just leave that cage through there. That's not off the ollie the other day.
Mind out, boy. Farmer Giles has got his log splitter back on, so here we go. Go on! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my gosh!
I mean, he's obviously very trusting of the fact his mechanical work is sufficient. He seems to be driving that faster than he drives the van, to be honest.
I think it's safe to say that he is more than chuffed with the fact he has fixed the steering on that old International 785. He's now ripping around the farm at sunset with no lights on. So yeah, mission complete. Really pleased with that, even after the little log splitter falling off the back disaster. All the way down? Yeah. I'll let you do that.
Then roll back and then you can stop on the flat.
What? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, what do you want me to do?
Back there, knock it out here.
Oh.
Knock it out here. Not there,
I didn't rev it at all. I didn't even rev it. It just drove itself.
The rev's on a like a lever and then you hold it down. Oh, you're tractor driving experience now.
This time next year I can see him in the tractor run. We'll have that all light up, lit up